up, YouTubers? Welcome to another The Road with Dutty. And now I'm here at, what you call this? I come for a Rebel Salute, but this is Champs 2019. Katie, Shiny K, all the way down here, sirs. It's Rushley. Which school you now bring? Katie, which school you bring?
I don't know yet.
And don't call the school name when you use the date. Okay? Which school you bring, Shiny K?
Any school.
Any school?
Yeah.
All right.
I went to Walmart, but...
Where you say, Rochelle?
Walmart!
All right. I'm going to bring Excelsior. This is the Excelsior tie. Okay? So guess what? Right as we enter the stadium, Shiny K wanted us to go all the way, you know, to the back, up the top, and I never liked them seating there. So luckily, Rushlin found some seats closer to where the end of the track was, and so we decided we're going to just sit down there.
Second position going to Lawrence of Kingston College in 22.64. Third position, Monterey of Kingston College, 22.79.
Watch then. Anything for the picture. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. I pimp out the port buckle of Jolie.
Jolie.
Last 4 girls, 200 meters. The winner, Janae Armstrong Immaculate, 25.16. Second, Prichelle Holong, St. Jago, 25.33. Third, Michaela Sutherland, Manchester, 25.37. Fourth,
What's going on?
Stuart Rassis, 25.70.
Fast
Fifth,
fun competition.
Anya White, Homewood, 25.74. Sixth, Taifa Gowie Heidel, 25.85.
Next event on the team, the grade 1600 meter sprint medley. Princess
Calabar, like they have done all season, lead in the sprint medley. Kingston College close. Kingston College, Edwin, Homewood Technical, Excelsior, Jamaica College, Kingston College close.
At this point in time, we decided to say, here what, we want to go fast over the KC section. So we took ourselves there. Then we tried to head back to go back to where Katie was staying. And then we buck up the security guard. The security guard find a way for us to get onto the, what you call it, the inside of the track. Yeah, right to TVG and them people today. And yeah, we kind of running upon that. We're supposed to be there for 5 minutes, but we end up just decided to not leave. Alright, so we'll make it inside of the track round here, so. And things, I think I only start back first. I miss links. This over here, so trying to K is miss links. Anything, forget a link, should have on the job.
That is right. That is my job. I hear your coward. Get bury your coward.
But yeah, we finally in. We don't know how long we can there because we literally left. I will left Katie road. We left Katie road there. It's so bad.
Yeah, I have a confession to make. I've never been at the Issa Boys and Girls Athletics Championships.
Alright, so my school, Excelsior just come third in the 4x1 at Champs. I'm so proud of them. I can't wait for to interview the girl them. I don't know if we can try talk to them later, but let's see. Alright, so you see all of the people that want to say why I bring on my Excelsior tie. This is the reason. I'm here for to celebrate team again Animo. So these are the third place winners in the class 2 4x1 women. Okay, so introduce yourself.
I'm Shante Foreman. I'm Samoani. I'm Naisha Berger. I'm Akira Nugent.
Okay, how was the race for you? The plan for win? What went wrong? What went great?
Well, basically everything went as planned and all of us finish with an injury-free moment, so that's the most important. Just watch out for your things. Teamwork is the best. Teamwork is the best.
And when you say for next year and beyond, when you say, we're not going to tell the people that from Jamaica, for look out for yourself. Anybody know how big up, just big up now and have classmate, family, that you quiet talk.
Just big up my coach, Michael, Russell, and Mr. Gavin, and my mother, and all of my supporters.
All right. I'm going to try to sit again. Let's see if it will work. Hold on. Oh yeah, it actually worked. It's cool. Big up yourself. But every...
On 272 points.
Alright, so now is the final event. I think it's the 4x4 for men, and yeah, I kinda can't wait for it done. My foot tired, I'm hungry. But let's check out the race. Yeah.
so much, man. Very good, very good.
What do you have to say about that ending for Excelsior?
I get animal, yeah, tired.
All right, big up, big up, big up. Yes, sir. Yeah.
My name is Demar Francis.
My name is Travis Williams. My name is Kawana Campbell.
My name is Devante Archer.
All right, so how it feels for actually win the final race, the final 4x1 race at Champs 2019?
Well, this was our plan from the beginning, just to go on the playing field and put a bona fide effort, every single ounce of our energy put towards it, and I hope that my teammates did the same, and I love that run from all my teammates.
I'm sure that all of us, we went out here and just execute and did our best, and that's it.
Well, to me it's like winning any other race. Come out here, do our best with my teammates, and just win the last race for Champs. It's big. Well, I'm very overwhelmed because it was just a determination of my teammates to finish the race and win.
All right, what would you say to the people who would have underestimated the Excelsior team? What would you have to say to them?
The Excelsior big side. You're serious? Well, underdog. Well, it's the punch that you don't see that knocks you out, you know, so we're just explaining the best for everyone.
All right, so last question. How now gonna celebrate after this? How now gonna celebrate?
I live big. We are live big. We are gonna live like an eagle.
Show the dance how we seen out earlier. Show the piece of dance. Yeah, yeah. All right, good. All right.
Yo, it could have been us seat, man. Jesus Christ.
Kingston College, they are the winners of Champs 2019. Them there they are flipping on water and all kind of excitement. It's fun. But it's a big up. Them
dead like
No, talk to it. On the nose and the devil win.
Duttyberry. Oh, it's Duttyberry.
On the nose and the devil win. On the nose and the devil win.
Project 32. That's
Where's the alright, Project 32, okay.
I love your show.
Where's that?
I love your show.
Oh, some box cover for the people them then. Box cover.
Box.
Alright, bless. Come in. No, so you miss Casey.
Every time, all the time, one school,
Winners
one
for
college,
life. No, me a chat.
forever.
You're sure say Casey they gonna win this year?
Yes! One school.
No, but Calabar have Christopher Taylor and all of them people. You never feel like
Don't worry
pressure.
about that. The power will kill anything, anyone.
Okay.
Number one for the world. Wait again until Tuesday. We are taking to everything off. We are so we do it.
That's right, local and international affairs. Whom did Queen Elizabeth II surpass? Kingston College. And we won't have time. Not shortly, buzz before the bell.
Here with Duttyberry, say hi.
Oh yeah, what's in the picture first? Okay. Wait, so which school in the Duttyberry? Anyway, go Excelsior. Alright, picture time now. Alright, later people. How confident were you that Casey was going to win this year?
I was 100% confident that Casey was going to win.
Yes.
After training on Friday, after I came from training, I went on a flight, came down and came straight to the stadium. I just knew we were going to win.
Who would you say is probably like one of the biggest promising talents that probably remind you of yourself that is on the KC team right now?
I would definitely say, I would have to give it to Wayne Pinnock. He's phenomenal. He broke 2 records, he jumped 8 meters, and he ran 13:05, 13:06. Amazing.
Alright, big up yourself, man. Bless.
Big up.
Alright, so now they're actually like a touch up. Berry. Yes, Berry. How did KC finally find the winning Obia formula for kind of have Calabar under manners this year? What was it? What was the portion?
10 years we have been starving us, so
yeah.
That drive, that was the key.
Okay. Who do you think was probably like the overall top athlete for KC?
Why? Pin-up.
I'm going to pretend to know Pin-up. You know Pin-up? Pin-up on the record?
Yeah, man.
Okay, yeah. Alright, so say the KC line out where everybody always say the brave man say man.
With the matic.
No, that's not the no sit there. Wait, venue.
Right now, Mr. Shaw. Anyway, you're there. Big up yourself.
Me say because you're moving, that's why KC winning.
And I don't with me. KC win champs.
Because of what?
2019.
Because of what?
Big up Mr. Shaw and all of the man them will teach physics on our Calabar.
Did you say big up all
Yo, physics teacher, big up you. And you see if them fire you, KC I got hire you.
Oh my God. Big up yourself, Ellie.
On your mark. On your mark.
Hey.
The kids.
Alright, go.
Imini, channel sir. Alright, on your mark. Get set.
Hold on.
On your mark. No, you would go up on set. Alright, on your mark. Get set. Go. No, come back.
And I run, you look like you run, man.
You for walk. Alright, on your mark, you guys are versing a kid.
Was at that time the world record. What a lineup we have. Jamaica versus the United States. With a Trinidadian in there and an athlete from the Netherlands. There's the lineup. Thompson, Trinidad. Powell, Jamaica. Bolt, Jamaica. In qualification, second fastest all time with 9:69 behind this man. World record holder of 9.58.
Wait. Oh, see that?
You bury your hand behind the line, Barry.
It's a curve.
Behind the...
Yo, stay.
On your mark. Set.
Oh, they're away, and Gatling got away brilliantly, and he's ahead of the field at the moment, and Bolt going very, and here comes Usain Bolt! Usain Bolt storming through, he takes it again, Blake gets the silver, 9.64! Oh, he's retained his title in the most emphatic way! Brilliant. Usain Bolt of Jamaica is the fastest man on the planet. 9.63.
At first we come. You know, so we're not new to this. A long time telling this. See all the people them from Calabar, from KC. They take a back seat here. I excel to this. You don't know? A long time. We are trying to tell us, we are winner in the walk race competition.
Me and Calabar girls, I don't know. I'm girls.
No, that look like made a book in your head. I've made a book this in your head. Jordan, why do you think the people that merchandise? Look here. We're going to sell it to the front of the school gate tomorrow. The man ready for next year.
Yeah, man. Next year when them change design, say get the stuff from last year, man.
Alright, Jordan. So I'm going to task you with the honor of closing out my vlog.
Alright.
You're watching our videos now, so you must know the whole like, share, comment, and all them some there.
Ready?
Yeah, for sign out. This is Champs 2019.
This is Duttyberry and you're watching Champs 2019.
Alright, big up.
Yes, yeah, man.
was fun. I enjoyed it. Had a great time. KC have regained their role at the top of athletics in high school. Boy, oh boy. Amazing day. Make sure that you like, you share, you comment, and you subscribe. Alright? Take care. Question, how confident were you that KC did have to go win this year? No question. No question. What you have to say to the competitor?
Good try. Good try.
How we are the two champions?
Okay. What you have to say?
We don't break cards. We break cards.
Yeah, big up.